Hi and welcome to the unboxing video of the rechargeable cat and dog rechargeable hair remover brush. This brush has got silicone for the brush, so you're not going to hurt the cat and or dog. It's got a USB cable. It's got a small water tank. So you spray it on the fur, start brushing the fur, and it captures the fur, so it's not going to go everywhere. Let's open it up. Electric spray handle massage brush. Battery capacity 115 milliamps, charging volts 5 volts, 1 amp, charging time around half an hour, dual ABS, TPA. Just open up the box. One click spray, prevent hair from flying randomly, can add pet free essence. And the colour is white. USB cable, type C, type C, USB A. Brush, where the water goes out like steam on the fur. Handle, however you like. Power button. Water tank in here. Type C charger port. Silicone brush. No metal. I'll have the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.